It's raining outside right now, and I intended to show this video with my action camera, but I can't seem to transfer from that camera to this phone. So I'm just going to do a related image video with voiceover just to say that when it does rain, we can all feel a little down and depressed because the weather's not cooperating or life itself isn't cooperating. So I want you to understand that that is normal. That happens all the time. It's not your fault. It's not creation's fault. It's not anyone's or anything's fault. It's just how things work. There'll be warping of time, and there'll be things we can't control that we just have to live with. But understand that things change and things happen, but life still goes on. So just move with that rhythm. Take the time just to let a moment pass, because a moment will, and it'll go on to another moment. Right now, just breathe. Breathe in, breathe out, and let a moment pass, just as it always has, just as it always will, and life will continue. Just keep moving on, keep moving forward, keep being who you are, where you are, until the moment passes, and then move on from there. From here on out, just keep going, keep being who you are, and allow this moment to pass.